I've missed seeing every one of you, and we haven't had a chance to learn any new music. If you're running out of things to do, I have a new song that we were going to learn in practice and a few pointers. In the same email, you'll also have a recording of the whole song, so I won't go over the whole song in this brief lesson. I'll just point out some spots that might give you trouble and play a few excerpts, and then you can go back and listen to the recording, or you can just start out listening to the recording if you'd rather. I hope you enjoy this. And I'll let you hear that in a minute. But when you get to rehearsal number 12, it divides for the first time. And the men actually keep what sounds more like the melody. So men, it's really important for you to stick to your part there. We were blind, now we see. At the same time, the ladies, we were blind, now we see. And here is what it sounds like all together.
We were blind, now we see. We had stumbled through the darkest night, but not beyond the reach of He who loved and gave, because of grace, because of grace.
There's a really nice 4-part section at rehearsal number 21. I'm going to go through all the parts to that one little spot and then let you hear the recording of all of it together. This is soprano. Everything we were and are, and all we're going to be, blessing after blessing, rescued and redeemed. Once our hearts were bound by fear, but now we've been set free, 'cause grace changes everything. Alright, altos, same place. Everything we were and are, and all we're going to be, blessing after blessing, rescued and redeemed. Once our hearts were bound by fear, but now we've been set free, 'cause grace changes everything. Okay, now tenors. Everything we were and are, and all we're going to be, blessing after blessing, rescued and redeemed. Once our hearts were bound by fear, but now we've been set free, 'cause grace changes everything. Basses at the same spot. Everything we were and are, and all we're going to be, blessing after blessing, rescued and redeemed. Once our hearts were bound by fear, but now we are set free, 'cause grace changes everything.
Everything we were and are, and all we're going to be, blessing after blessing, rescued and redeemed. Once our hearts were bound by fear, but now we've been set free, 'cause grace changes everything.
The last thing I'd like to do is the very last line of music, which is a really great spot. This is the soprano part. Ooh, everything. Nice little low spot. Ooh, everything. The tenor part. Ooh, everything. And finally, the bass spot. And everybody feel free to go back over your spots and listen to them or sing with them a couple of times before you try to sing with the whole recording. Ooh, everything. Now let's hear all the parts together.